Hi traders, this is David. I'm the founder and creator of the Smart Guide, Support Resistance Trading Expert Advisors. In this video I show you how we install the Metatrader 4 platform and how to run a backtest. I recommend just only use brokers who are trustworthy, who don't have any bad Google listings, who paid out money, don't have issues with withdrawals, delay withdrawals, pay high fees for deposits or withdrawals, stuff like that. To avoid the black sheeps and the scammers, and if you're new on trading and not sure which broker to use, just go here to this site. It's called forexpeacearmy.com, and there you find a lot of open cases and closed cases and guilty cases about scammers, brokers, about funds manager, about trading system developers, about guys who trade money from investor accounts without any regulation, without any permit, or because of less of knowledge. Yeah, and they're trying to sell you some subscriptions, and some of these guys just new to forex and want to earn something with their scams and steal other systems and trying to sell you this stuff. So avoid such situations. You can use this site. There are more out in the web, but I recommend you this one because I'm used to it since 2009. I like this site, and they also give me updates about new cases, about broker issues. So I'm using my famous broker fxcc.com. They are located in Cyprus and regulated by the Seistic Authority, and I don't have any, really, I don't have anything bad, any bad history with them. There was no single one, no situations I won't agree with. The only thing was 2012 they stopped withdrawal per money bookers. It's no skrill. That's what the only thing I was annoyed, but that's not a reason to cancel my partnership with them. Yeah. Okay. Just go here and look if you found some major bad reviews about fxcc.com. There are some posts about high spreads and stuff like that, but that's from persons written who really don't know how what is an ECN broker and how an ECN broker works. ECN broker get the quotes from the tire banks and send this to the broker, and the broker sends the quotes to the client. Yeah, and if in some cases in about 60 minutes, as example, we have the major release of the month, the non-farm payrolls from the US. And this is a very, very common news event with spread widening. I'm sure that we get today a spread in a short time of about 120 pips. So, and if you're stupid, you set your pending orders or straddle pending orders. There are some EAs who handle or tell you to handle these issues and open up trades and buy limits, sell limits from some suspicious area. They believe that there would be in profit if price moves higher and blah blah blah. That's so rubbish. Yeah, I tell you, don't trade these events if you not sure how to do so, and don't trade if the spread is higher as 5 pips. And in most cases, the spread is not fixed, and an ECN broker scheme doesn't use fixed spread. If you want to open an account with fixed spread, you can do so and ask your broker about this. But this is all fake. Alright. There are some guilty cases. We got an offer 2013 or 2000, end of 2012. It called uTradeFX. uTradeFX scammed me and my clients round about of an amount of 80,000 euros, and there I start not proceeding with withdrawals. They start using new account managers one time a week, a new one, and they don't even pay their own employees. So they don't pay you, they don't pay us our profits and our initial deposits. The money is gone. We never will see this money again. We also had disputes or discussions with the authorities. The results are that UTradeFX is no longer regulated under FCA. It's not longer regulated under the CISEC because all these authorities said, no, okay, you're not paying your clients. We have too many complaints about you, and you don't get any extension of the regulations documents and the license. So what they do now is they open up several new firms, broker firms. I know from a former employee of UTradeFX that they're trying now to start with MRG markets. So just be warned of this one. They even don't have a valid regulation and trying to scam customers as well. I can say this because these guys are scammers. Yeah. And if you're not sure if UTradeFX is the same as MRGFX, then just open up here the site and you see that is a scam because they have the same form, still the same form to open up accounts. And on Google you find under the terms and conditions, on the terms here, they already removed it because they're not too stupid. Remove this. They had to hear in the terms written down UTradeFX. And but it's still listed on Google. I heard it from the former employer as well. This person warned me about these emerging markets because they are the same scam as well. They don't have a regulation, as I said, so they're not allowed to do financial services as well, not in Bulgaria, where they are located now. And if you here look to try to open an account, there should be some stuff where you can open a live account. That's ridiculous. That's quite ridiculous. What did they make with the money? Yeah, I guess a few millions, maybe $50 million. Some person run away from this, maybe the boss, and they're trying to do it again. Yeah, so don't trade with energy, don't trade with Utrex. These are scammers, known spammers. I try to open up an account. Ah, here we go. Should be somewhere here. And then we see that they're still using the same form to register account. This is ridiculous stupid. Look at this one here. They don't even change this trace. So everybody know, okay, it's just the same. They have completely the same stuff in here. Not only this, in the terms, I told you it's already gone. There, a couple of weeks ago, there was a hint of UTF-X. They just forget to remove this one. Okay, back to our major theme, major issue. We want to open up an account here with well-known broker with a good reader, without scamming clients, without scamming traders, and we open up an account, choose platform, Metatrader, and save this one. Click on launch, and then you find the installation here. I did it 3 times in a row again. Okay, and we only want to open up on a demo account. We don't want to invest live money. We just want to test the platform, test the spread, test everything. Yes, and to test some strategies. As example, our Smart Guide Support Resistance Trading Expert Advisor. Just a couple of seconds, then we see the open terminal, the multi-terminal, It's built in Russia a couple of years ago. It's a very common, the most famous platform in the world. It's a highly recommended professional trading platform from top traders to traders out there. Okay, you get this window here. Yeah? For chart attached, and below here we see in common arrow. That's we don't have an account here. We just need to open up an account. Click on left upper corner. Click on open account. Choose the server of the company. It should actually be something else here. That's not right here, but if you do the steps I showed you, then everything is fine. Click on OK, then open your demo account, fill out the form. That's not my real telephone number, not my real email. Just use everyone some details you want to. Don't use your real contact details, otherwise you get a call from the broker, from an account manager there, and trying to sell you or trying to urge you invest with them. Okay, it's just for testing reasons. You can choose the amount you want to trade with, 5,001 or stuff like that, or 1, 2, 3, 4. Anyway, we start with 10,000. I recommend you don't start below this amount, otherwise you're playing in the like a child in the kindergarten. You don't get any results here, any results to live with. Yeah, okay. Click on this one, then the server connects here, and then you get your login credentials here, login password and investor. And after that click, you will be logged in the account, and the red one stuff here below turns to green, and then you get a registration notice and a registration in your mailbox. You click on the thick one, and there's your login, your password, your investor password. You can do a screenshot of your login and save it somewhere, or you can take a pen and write it down somewhere. Save, yeah. Okay, in this one I'm used the Hot Forex platform. You can also work with Hot Forex if you want to, but I don't recommend open a live account with them. Okay, so after that you finish the installation with our software. We send you per email and the serial key of the expert advisor at installation file. You do the next step and run a backtest. So that's the version number 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 1 and 4 are related to each other. They're just the difference from the from the first and the fourth version is just that in the fourth version the magic number is not is displayed, and in the first not. So you get this both for, in one pack. Okay, we'll run this backtest with the final version. I will run it from the beginning of the year, because before the Smart Guide support resistance trading ER series doesn't exist. So we don't trade with historical data beginning from 1970, because why? There's no system like this released this 1907, and that's why we don't use it in the past. There are a lot of EA programmers out there trying to show historical performance. It's ridiculous, because it's not stick to the real conditions, and we tested on the new or actual data, and that was from the beginning of the year till the today's date is the 5th of November. Remember, the 5th of September. If you're an United Kingdom resident, then you know what I mean. Today is a historical day as well. So you open up the expert properties here, please, and you choose the settings as shown here. Trading is allowed. Take profit in pips is 70. here as well. The stop loss is 1200. It may sound a bit fancy that we use a high amount of stop loss, but that's a reason for it. Yeah, we don't want stopped out before. And that's the number maximum of each order is. We can set it to 1. Then we will trigger one trade each function. We have the function with the pivot point. Then the second one is the support resistance trading, and so we allow them both. And just explaining this a bit more detailed. This is our support area. That will always trigger a long trade. This is our resistance area here about, and it always will trigger a short trade if price crosses. About a spread, it's maybe 1 or 2 pips or 3 pips. This settings when price crosses, we also can set up here. Support a resistance shift, wait X pips after cross before opening trade. We set it to 1. That means that just 1 pip plus the spread. Maybe the spread is 5 pips, so after this one we have 6 pips that the price already were triggered into a long trade. This situations, also this situation up here, there won't be a trade triggered because price didn't cross this. But here as well, yeah, here sell trade would open 166 drawdown before it turned in plus. We use a 70 pip take profit here an example. We use a trailing stop of 50 and the 5 pips difference if price is then 50 pips plus and price moves against the direction, then this step is the trigger when price kicked out. So if price moves back, maybe price is on 60 pips profits and moves back, then the step is 5 pips and it capture the rest below. So maybe on 50 it turns back, then 45 is our rest, is our earning. Okay, we do have this one here. Just copy the settings. 1 to 24, 1 to 24. That's the trading period from 24 till 1 in the morning. It's stop trading, and after that at 1 in the morning it started trading again. And we have the fixed lot size. It's 0.2. I recommend you to stick to your money management. If you have a 10,000 euro account or $10,000 account and you don't want to exceed 3 or 5% per trade, then you should start very low. Yeah, then just set this value to 1, set the lot to 0.05. Yes, so that prevents for high drawdowns, but it doesn't make good money. It makes money, but it's not much. It depends on you and what you need. Don't be greedy. Just follow these instructions. I'll set it here to 3, so I get 3 orders filled. Now the non-farm payroll announced. It's 2 minutes to non-farm payrolls, so my platform runs very slow now. Okay, set it back to 3. Click on OK. It took a while. Then click Start. Don't use the visual mode because it will. It took some hours longer, yeah. In the visual mode, the chart pops up and you see the expected riser settings. Maybe we can do it. I will simulate this visual mode as well. in a couple of seconds. Just let us load the test, the historical data. The system needs to run the test. Okay, now it works. And in a couple seconds, system starts the backtest. Okay, it performed already. And here you see the graph, you see the equality line, and just yeah, wait a couple hours and the test is finished. I guess it took some hours, maybe 2, 3, 4 hours, and just come back if the price, if the test is finished. Then you can click here on the report tab and see a detailed statement. Results, back to results. We see that the system is working. So that's how to run a backtest. Yes. That's on the 16th, 2 weeks later, we are already on $932 on profit. So now I show you how to run a backtest in a visual mode. So I click stop. And after that you can do the test in the visual mode as well. But so here we go. Again, you click here on the visual mode area. And then you see the display of the Smart Guide Support Resistance version. That's the final version. Actually now they're out of trading period, but it's from the 1st of January this year, and we see in a couple minutes this will change. We see the resistance level, the pivot level, then we see the pivot levels buy and sell, and the support level here, and the value, how far they all together. So now we see that we are on the resistance already in on the 12 pips trade. So a test trade is already running. There we go. I can attach the indicator, so we see it more clearer why a trade triggered and where. So let me do the setup first. So click OK. Yeah, now we attach the indicator to the chart. There is actually in the backtest automatically indicated, but to see it more clear here on the chart, just doing here some other settings. Now come on. It's a bit loud today because the non-farm payroll announcement is still out there and price running crazy. Yeah, it took a while. Will take a while. Okay, it gives us a much clearer view about the candle. The blue one is the buy candle, the red one is the sell candle, and there's our take profit here. That's the red line, and the green line is the entry point. On the graph we already run this trade for a while, and as I told you, on the visual mode it will take very long to finish the test just on the historical data beginning from the year till today's date. Yes, we see price moving and moving, but as I told you, it really take time. Okay, I finished this video by now. Otherwise it took hours to watch them. That's the visual mode setting, and the other one is without the tick here inside, and it's without the tick on the visual mode runs quite faster. Okay, enjoy our products. This is David from smartguidetrading.com, and I would like to welcome you in our trading group soon. Bye bye.